Finding the courage to change. Shame, the great mistake. In my efforts to avoid shame and embarrassment, I've made a great mistake. In an effort to fit in, I've discarded important parts of me as unworthy or unacceptable. I've given others the power of judgment over me and suffered greatly from that judgment. I developed the habit of judging myself ruthlessly. In 5th grade, I was in a 4-H speech competition. I was about halfway through my memorized speech, and it was going really well. Suddenly, I lost my focus, and the rest of the speech just vanished. It was a painful moment for everyone in the room. I somehow managed to say, "I'm sorry, I forgot." I was disqualified. Well-meaning grown-ups tried to fix the situation by publicly congratulating me for how well I had handled the situation. It was horrible. It took me years to recover. I refused to participate in speech competitions ever again. But that one awful experience has made me a fearless public speaker. I have already experienced the very worst thing that can happen, and I survived. Looking back, I can see that the shame of that failure provided a powerful learning opportunity. Today, I know that when I feel ashamed or afraid of shame, another powerful opportunity is at hand. Do I have the courage to learn from my mistakes? Can I find a way to be grateful for a difficult moment? Allowing my shame to stop me from growing and being my true self is the only mistake.